Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back with another video. I just got done filming the Mega Box break from Target. I might have to get another one in the future because this was definitely fun to open. I got myself the hard to get. Actually, I won't say hard to get. Might be. You never know when you can get a young gun. But I got myself a young gun of Trevor Zegras. I was looking for him. Now I just gotta find the other guy, Cole Clufield, which is right here. So this is my second box of Blaster of 2021-22 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. 8 packs in here. Probably a chance to get like a couple of young guns, maybe. But I've opened 3 blasters. I've opened 1 jumbo size young gun variation one, and just one normal, I guess. So let's go ahead and open this up, guys. Yeah, I am stoked right now. I can't wait to see what Series 2 has in store for us. What young guns are going to be coming out of there. I've been collecting hockey cards like crazy recently again, so like I said, I'm really happy I got that one card. McDavid on the cover, McJesus. I thought he had a chance to go to the Stanley Cup for the first time this year. Fortunately, he did not. I was opening another box, Series 1. And I'm going to try to complete this base set, too. Alright, who we got here? Tristan Jarry for the Penguins. Hawks goalie Kevin Lankinen. Nice. Trevor Moore. Tim Sassoodle. Yeah, I'm seeing triple kits now. Some players. Miles Wood. Riley Smith. Yeah, guys. That's a nice card. I need to open some 2020-21 Upper Deck Series 2 at some point. Maybe hunt for a Krabizov Young Gun. Kaprizov. I think it's Kaprizov. There we go. One of my favorite defenseman players of all time, Brett Burns. Freaking Brad Marchand. Ooh. Debut dates. I have never seen this subset before. K. Andre Miller. I'll use like rookie debut cards, it looks like. Nice. Kind of like debut, like Tops Now, but they meant like cards of their debut pretty much. Yeah, -1, not too bad. Nice card. I'm gonna have to sleeve that up actually, real quick. Mostly sleeve my inserts. Creator, Andres Lee, Marc-Andre McFleury. Got a few more packs here. Hopefully you can get another big young gun here. I got the one I was looking for. If I get another Zegras, I'm going to freak out. Crosby, Carter Hart, Vasilevsky. Young gun of... How do you say his last name? Marian Studick for the New Jersey Devils. Bobby Boucher, New Jersey's a devil. That's our 4th young gun today. So far I haven't hit duplicates yet. That's a good sign. Trying to get this in here. Come on, you son of a bitch. There we go. Roman Yossi. Fudowdy. Jones. Come on, Cole Caulfield. Jacob Voracek. Wait, that's him, right? Yeah. What we got here? Jacob Verano, former Cap. Yeah, we just got a base pack there. I'll double check, see if we got a French variation. Nope. Just a base pack. 2 more packs left. Johnny Grudo. Flip the Dina. Oh, we got UD Portraits. Alexis Lamphere, I don't know. I pulled a lot of his rookie cards last year. Now I've been pulling a lot of other nice cards of him. He could lead the Rangers to a Stanley Cup here soon. Go ahead and sleeve that up. I don't know. Maybe open some last year's series one. Maybe you might get like pulling his Young Gun. It's worth a couple dollars as well. He got in a fight with Steven Stamkos the other day. He got his eye cut open. After the game, what we got here? Don Keefe, Dylan Cousins, second year. Last pack, I'm pretty sure we should be getting a Young Gun of some kind. Really happy with the one right now. I got $150 card at least. Sherbark, Connor McDavid. Ovechkin, yes. Got my PC guy. OV Medazzlers. Green. Yeah, the mega boxes have blue. Yes. That's going to my PC. And I just dropped my tablet. Almost. That's a nice card. Ovechkin, Dazzlers, green. Boom. Probably my favorite card, but I should say the Secret's probably my favorite. I don't know. There's a Miller again. Oh! Yes! Kirill Kaprizov. That's the card I'm looking for. Second year card. Oh, another good one. Jonathan Huberdeau. That was a good pack. Alright, guys, that was it. I only got one Young Gun out of that box alone. Which one is better than none? Trying to get all the Young Guns out of the way so I can try to complete the Series 1 set. And I got the most expensive one that I really didn't want to pay separate by itself. I really wanted to pull it, and I pulled it. I just didn't get the Cole Caulfield, which, yeah, he's probably almost $50 if I had to guess. I think his name's Steven Knight for Boston or something like that. I don't know. Rookie goalie, he's over like 30, so I'm going to have to try to get that one soon too. Alright, guys. That was fun. Let's review these cards I got. Don't mind my dog. She's crazy. And that one young gun. So. Oh, I just pulled this card. It's worth like $150.
Holy shit.
Yeah. I just paid.
Lucky that little kid didn't get it.
Yeah. That came from the Mega.
Oh.
I got my PC guy too.
You showed them. Did they see it already?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, wow.
That was from the first video I did.
Whoa. Okay. There you go.
Nice.
Bye.
Thanks. God damn it, dog! Get off the drugs. Alright, let's go ahead and put the OV in the top loader real quick. Alright, guys. That was fun doing the break for you guys. Oh, wait. OV, you know. Yeah, at my local Target, they had a bunch of OPG in Series 1. I don't know. I might just completed the base set, almost. Let me go get my storage here. Here we go. I did get myself a storage box, so I'm going to be filling these cards up here. There's a kitty eating dog food again. What's she doing? Snoop. There it is. That's what I got in here so far. That's how I stack it away. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll be uploading these 2 videos, organizing these cards, and see you guys either with another gaming video shortly, or maybe with another box break, maybe next week or so, we'll see. I don't know. But, nice cards. Peace.
Bye.
She says bye.
Bye.
Can you say bye, Felicia?
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia's.